colours I'm going to use are Purple Lake and Cadmium Orange Hue. I might add another colour, I don't know yet. What I'm going to do with a round brush is just add some water to the page, just pushing it around wherever I want, not all over, leaving some spaces around the edges. And I don't know whether you can see that. Okay, and I'm going to open up the tube. So this is the Cadmium Orange. Just put the colour straight onto my brush and just work it into the wet areas on the page. You can even push it outwards if you don't like the borders that have already been created. Okay, and just washing my brush, opening up the Purple Lake. These are Winsor and Newton Cotman watercolors. They're very good, very strong, vibrant colours. Love using these. So I've just washed my brush, putting a bit of colour onto the brush and then just pushing the paint around the page. And you can see the colours have changed slightly where they've mixed, where the orange has mixed with the purple. It's gone a bit of a reddy colour. If you want to make it a bit more purple, you can just add a bit more. If you want to add a bit to the outside where the yellow is, and then you'll get more of a purpley colour. Looks. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry and I'll be back in a bit.